Hello friends, welcome guys once again a new video. So friends, today we will be talking about the motherboard, and we will see that there will be a box. It is come from the ASUS motherboard, and I definitely this is from purchased my personally for my CPU, because you know that already I have purchased my CPU for my video editing, because my laptop is get dump and it is not working well on my video creating. So that's why I have purchased my CPU, and I definitely order on LCD also, but it is not reached. It is on the way. When it will be reached, I definitely give you an unboxing and review for that also. Okay, so let's talking about the motherboard section, because we will, you know that if I have already I have assembled a CPU. Okay, I am not going a branded CPU. I have go for the assembled, because you know that is assembled, you know that if your requirement is fulfillment. Okay, so that's why we will go for the assembled CPU. And let's talking about the different parts. There will be a motherboard, power supply, and graphics cards, single piece from the different companies. And so let's talking about the things. This video we will talking about the motherboard. Okay, so you have to see that in my hand it is a motherboard from the ASUS. It is a ASUS company motherboard, and definitely I will know that the ASUS company motherboard is much more well working on your for your home PCs. Okay, because in I think in the world there will be only two company has been manufacturers. There will be one is ASUS and other one is MSI. Okay, but I will definitely go for the ASUS. There will be, you will see that if you are playing a gaming on your desktop, that you are if you go for this motherboard, it is well working, because there will be a see that it will be written best gaming motherboard manufactured 2017. Okay, this is the first motherboard designing for the ASUS on the 2017, and this is a business motherboard prime S310M CR2.0. It is a model for this motherboard model, and definitely I will it is manufactured by ASUS Global Private Limited, and this is I think this is also a country of origin is China. Yeah, basically, yeah, you all know that, because all the electronics item has been created on the China. Okay, from them from there we will be import and selling on the India. Okay, so approx price is 7,990, but I in market I will definitely this got on the 6,000 around rupees. And let's talking about the features and specifications for that motherboard. So you will be see that there will be a Intel chipset H310 and Intel core inside, and there will be a, you will see that CPU support LGA 1151 and Windows 10 ready. Okay, Windows 10 it will be already. And there will be a lot of sections there will be giving. There will be a self recovering BIOS. It is much more important for your CPU, because if you get the lost your data, then you will definitely recover from that BIOS section. Okay, so that is most important things. I like it, and you also like it that. Okay, then we will go for the, there is a commercial BIOS kit and event log, 24/7 reliability, anti-moisture coating is also there given. So it is basically definite it will be good. Okay, then let's talking about the back side of the CPU this, and you will see that there will be photographs from the motherboard, and there will be a lot of features. This connector is a PS/2, and D SOP connector is also there, and DVI-T connector is also there, COM connector is also there, LAN cable, audio, and PCI Express 3.10. This is a PCI, and it means that if you are using extra graphics Nvidia graphics card, then you will place here, and there will be a PCI slot. If you are another connection, there you will go for the there, and these two connector you will be use a LAN cable and other things you have to connect from there. Okay, and there will be a lot of other things as LPT header. This is a LPT header, and there will be a 4 into SATA GB ports. There will be a give of 4 slots. There will be use a SATA GB, and it means that you will get the hard disk point from there. Okay, then it is a Intel H31 chipset. This is the chipset. It will that, and there this section is for your processing unit. Okay, this motherboard is support up to 9th generation i3, i5, and i7. Okay, and there will be a two slot here. It is from the RAM. It is a RAM is the DDR4 slot. Okay, yeah, you are using this slot on DDR4 RAM. Okay, and let's talking about the CPU, and this is the LGA 1151 socket for 8th generation Intel Core i7, i5, i3 Pentium, but it will definitely support your 9th generation also. Okay, and there will be chipset is Intel S310 chipset. Memory is 2 into DIMS, maximum 32 GB DDR4 RAM is will be connected, and expansion slot is 1 PCI, 2 PCI Express slot is there, side slot dimension is they are giving, and 1 PCI slot. Okay, VGA is a multi VGA output support, DVI/support comms, and storage is 4 into serial ATG connector like this side. There will be a lot of difference giving there, and there will be some security. Let's talking about the security, and there will be, you will see that self recovering BIOS. Okay, there will be a lot of features giving on that motherboard. So let's talking about this security sections. And ensure safe BIOS updates, require no extra software, provides automatically update failure detection and recover. Okay, that is a lot of things important work on your CPU. Okay, then reduce maintenance frequency and cost. This is also much more important for things on your CPU. Okay, then what's about the reliability? Okay, reliability, let's talking about the reliability. There will be so that anti moisture coating on the motherboard. It means that their motherboard is not affected from the dust, moistures, other things also. That is the very good important things giving on that motherboard. And there will be a 24/7 reliability test. It means that up to 45°C and humidity 80°C it will be test, and it will be good working performance on that 45° and 80% RH. Okay, and there is a manageability. There will be a BIOS update, AC power losses, RTC reset, chassis instruction, hard drive changes, hard drive status. There will be a lot of features will be given on that manageability section. So you know that this is also working well, and other things it is not giving anything else for you. And okay, that much is for your motherboard section.